Welcome to my Visual Hub. Hope you all are good and doing really great. You all know that in recent few months, consumption of internet has gone high and FB users have become more active. And at the same time, the risk of cyber hacking problems are also too high. Yes, my dear friends. Today, in this video, we will discuss about how to lock the FB profile. This video is especially for women, new users on FB who want more control over their Facebook experience, and also to them who have already locked. But did you ensure your FB profile is completely protected and safe? Let's start our video. First of all, you have to download FB app and open your FB app. Then log in with your ID, and after login, you will see this type of screen. You have to click on 3 lines at the top side of screen. Here you can see your profile. Then scroll down and ensure your post is shared with your friends only. Choose friends from the list. After doing that, get back from the screen. You have to scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see settings and privacy. Click on it and then click on setting. Again you have to scroll down. You can see profile locking option and click on it. After this, you can see at bottom lock your profile. Simply click on it to lock your profile. Now your profile will be locked. Now your profile will be visible to your friends list only. You can see protection symbol on your profile screen. If you want to unlock your profile, then click on settings again. Again you have to scroll down. You can see profile locking option and click on it. After this, you can see a symbol of unlock key at right side. Simply click on it. Press on unlock your profile. Now your profile will be unlocked. Now your profile will be visible to all, and there is no symbol of protection on your profile screen. Facebook is basically expanding the feature set of its existing to give users complete control over who they choose to share their profile with. We are coming up with new features designed on Facebook in our next video, and press the bell icon. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.